This picture doesn't look like much of anything at all, but it is in fact the first picture we ever got of the surface of Venus, and that is so freaking cool. The Venera program is the Soviet program to explore Venus that launched just about at the beginning of the space age. Venera 1 launched on February 12th, 1961, and unfortunately failed, but it was just the first of many attempts. Venera 2 did a successful flyby in 1965, and the first probe was launched but ultimately failed in 1967. There were other missions launched to land on Venus that didn't work, but they did send back really important data, like the fact that the surface of Venus is about 930 degrees Fahrenheit or 510 degrees centigrade, and the pressure on the surface is about 95 times what we feel sitting at sea level on Earth. Venera 9 was the first mission to successfully land on Venus. The lander was a 9-foot tall probe. It was cylindrical with a flared bottom. That was designed to work partially as an aerobrake and also have shock absorbers for the final landing. It also used a parachute, which in the thick Venusian atmosphere was enough to have it land safely. It touched down on the planet on October 22nd, 1975, and it was only partially successful. There were cameras on the bottom that were meant to take a 360-degree panorama from around the base, but only part of it worked, so we only got a 180-degree image. It sent back 517 lines of image data that were put back together to make this picture. It might not look like much, but considering this picture took 14 years and 8 failed Venus missions to figure out how to even get it, makes it phenomenal.